I want to make a toast, not the champagne kind, the breakfast kind. So I want to make a toast and I want to put resin on it and essentially make a resin toast coaster for my coffee in the morning. I have seen Evan and Caitlin do this on their channel and they did a few tests, some worked, some didn't, and I want to find out if it works for me. Let's get toasting.
5 minutes later.
Okay, so we have our toast and I'm thinking I want to use a thin resin for this because I want to have the toast completely saturate and soak in resin. I know this sounds wrong on so many levels. So I'm going to use my deep pour epoxy by Jadictions, and I am going to link the discount codes in the description below. So let's go.
Seconds later.
Take this as a reminder to make sure that you wear the correct PPE when working with the resin. I do have a separate video on resin safety and what you'd be needing in order to protect yourself. I know that a lot of resins in the market nowadays are VOC free, but the thing is your body might be more sensitive to it than other people, and when you work with resin and you heat it up to a certain level, it will give off fumes. So check out my video if you're new to resin. So what I did here was I had my deep pour epoxy mixed, and the reason I used this is because it's quite thin and it's less viscous, which means that I can have the resin sort of go into the little nooks and crannies and all the pores of the toast. So I've soaked one side and I'm just doing the other side now. I'm also trying to make sure that I am coating the edges as well, because I don't want to leave any part of the bread uncovered. So this is what it looks like once I have put all the resin down, and I'm going to leave this to cure. It does take 2 to 3 days for any deep cure epoxy to cure.
2 days later.
So this is after 2 days, guys, and I had it placed on a little silicone lid. So I'm just taking that off, and that worked pretty well. So yeah, I mean, it is solid at this stage. I'm trying to sort of see how hardened it is, and it is solid, nicely set. You cannot bend it at this stage, which is what we want. So yeah, I'm super pleased. It does have, because obviously it's resin and resin is glossy, it has a wet look in a lot of the areas, and I'm okay with it because it looks like you've literally just buttered the toast. So yeah, those are some close-ups. Let's see if we can actually use it as a coaster. Right, I know this looks super weird, but I have to say I had so much fun with this project. Let me know in the comments if you've done something crazy with resin. I'd love to know. Like, follow and subscribe for more.